Are you tired of opening the fridge and thinking, what do I eat now? Only to end up ordering something and feeling guilty later? Yeah, I've been there too. But what if I told you that you could actually lose weight without starving, without stress, and still eat food you love? Hey, I'm Oksana, and for years I struggled with diets that left me cranky, confused, and constantly craving chips at 11 p.m. It wasn't until I discovered the real power of meal planning that everything changed, not just my weight, but my energy, my mood, my confidence. If you're a busy woman, especially over 30, juggling work, kids, or just life, this video is for you. Because I'm not here to sell you perfection, I'm here to show you a simple, sustainable way to plan your meals that actually works with your real life. Let me ask you this. How many times have you started a diet on Monday, only to give up by Thursday? Why does that happen? Because most plans are made for robots, not real people. We're dealing with crazy schedules, cravings, hormones, stress, and sometimes, let's be real, just pure exhaustion. And that's where most diets fail. They don't fit your life. They demand discipline when what you really need is a plan that works with your lifestyle. Maybe you felt this before. You try to eat clean, but by 3 p.m., you're starving. You prep chicken and broccoli for 5 days, and by day 2, you're sick of it. Or you try counting calories or macros, and then give up because it feels like homework. You feel defeated, like you're the problem. The problem is the system, and once we fix the system with realistic, enjoyable meal planning, your results will follow naturally. Here's the truth no one talks about. You don't need a strict diet. You need a flexible structure. Meal planning isn't about eating chicken and rice every day. It's about designing your week so your food choices are already made before hunger, stress, or cravings take over. It gives you control without obsession. And when done right, it becomes your secret weapon for weight loss and freedom. Step 1. Know why you're eating. Every meal should serve a purpose. Fuel your energy, support weight loss, or satisfy your soul. Yes, emotional eating can be healthy if it's planned. Ask yourself, is this meal fueling my goals or feeding my frustration? Step 2. Pick your meal planning style. You don't have to prep everything in Tupperware on Sunday. You can batch cook, make big portions of proteins and sides to mix and match, prep ingredients, wash, chop, and store for quick use. Or just plan. Decide what you're eating each day and stick it on your fridge. Choose what fits your personality and time. Step 3. The rule of threes. Pick 3 breakfasts, 3 lunches, 3 dinners that you love, that are simple, and help you feel full and light. Rotate them. Boom. Less decision fatigue, more consistency. Step 4. Shop smart. Don't go to the grocery store without a list. Seriously. Plan your meals, make your shopping list. Buy only what you need. Pro tip, shop the perimeter of the store. That's where the real food lives. Step 5. Balance your plate. Keep it simple. Protein, chicken, eggs, beef, tofu, fiber, veggies, fruits, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Bonus, include herbs and spices that help reduce bloating like ginger, turmeric, or mint. Step 6. Handle cravings with strategy. Craving something sweet or salty? Plan for it. Include snacks like Greek yogurt with honey, dark chocolate, air-popped popcorn, protein brownies. Cravings aren't the enemy, surprise cravings are. But if you plan for them, they lose power. When I finally implemented this way of meal planning, I dropped 11 pounds in 1 month without counting calories, without feeling deprived, and without spending hours in the kitchen. And I'm not alone. Thousands of women using this method say things like, I feel in control again. I finally stopped obsessing over food. I'm actually enjoying meals and losing weight. What? That's the power of having a realistic plan. You win daily, and those small wins lead to big results. Now, if you're loving this and thinking, yes, I want to eat better, lose weight, and actually feel good doing it, I created something just for you. It's called the Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan. And before you say, wait, what? Carnivore? Let me explain. This isn't just about eating meat. It's about eating food that calms your hormones, reduces inflammation, supports your metabolism, and stops the cycle of cravings and bloat. It's a complete guide, especially for women between 30 and 50, to finally lose weight without the yo-yo effect, without calorie counting, and with long-term results. You'll get a full 30-day meal plan, easy and tasty recipes, grocery checklists, a hormone-friendly guide, and bonus tips for energy, sleep, and cravings. It's simple, it's effective, it's life-changing, and it's designed for you. So here's the deal. If you're ready to stop overthinking every meal, if you're ready to lose weight naturally, if you're ready to feel energized, light, and proud of your body again, click the link below to check out the Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan. Because your transformation isn't waiting for Monday. It starts today, with one decision. And remember, you don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan that fits you. Let's do this. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You've just been given bad tools. But now you've got the right ones, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Meal planning can be your freedom, your structure without restriction. So be kind to yourself. Start simple. Stay consistent. And watch how everything starts to shift. Let's make this the month everything changes. For good. I'm with you. Let's go.